Hey there, Duncan here. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you a way to find lots of opportunities for exact match domain names that have high search volume every month. So exact match domains, it used to be a thing years ago where people would buy up domain names if you're with the exact search query as the .com domain name. And lots of people now say that this doesn't work. But if you look at, for example, a lot of local search queries, so if you search for plumbing company near me, then what you'll see is there'll be lots of very high domain authority websites ranking in the search results. But there's very often a couple, one or two, where they don't have a very high domain rating, but they're still in there. And it's very often because the domain name will be an exact match for the search query. So, for example, plumbingcompanies.com or plumber and then the name of the town. So plumber Austin, for example. And the way that this continues to work is that Google, obviously, it wants to rank brands for the search query when someone's searching for the brand. So if I search for Apple, then Google is going to want to show Apple, the computer company, and not just Apple, the fruit. So it can't always tell when it's a real brand name and when it's an exact match name that matches a search query. So to find this, one approach is you can go to something like instantdomains.com and you can just start searching for things. So plumber Austin.com, and then it'll tell you if that's available. So that's taken. And you can also then go into Ahrefs and you can look at the kinds of queries that you might want to rank for, and then you can go and paste them into something like this. So that's one approach, but obviously it's a little bit slow, it's a little bit manual, and you kind of get bored, and then you're probably missing some opportunities. So what I've done is created a simple bit of Python code that automates part of this process. So basically, I just need to put in the niches here that I'm interested in, and then it's going to find exact match.com domains, just .com. Let's not mess around with any other domain names. So we've got solar, plumbing, and auto detailing, for example, here. So I'm going to run this now. It's going to take a few seconds, and it's basically going to permutate through lots of different combinations of locations and different variations of the search query. So this is a very basic version for now. I've only got a few locations that's going to search through, but I'm going to expand this. So I've got a list of all the major cities in the US, and I'm going to add that in. So for now, it's already finding plenty of exact match domain names. At the moment, it basically just tells you which domain names are available. And, a lot of these are going to have high search volume because there's some major cities here like New York and London. But I plan on updating this script so that it just shows you the search volume alongside here as well. But what you can do is you can just take this list for plumbing companies and then take it over to Google Keyword Planner. Or, if you prefer using Ahrefs, then you can do that as well. But I'm just going to paste it in here and change the kind. I don't want UK, I want US. And then I can basically order by the number of searches. So, for example, plumbing companies Austin, 480 monthly searches, and it also looks like it's increasing by 23% every year. So that's probably a good one. I'm just going to double check that this is correct and I can actually buy this. Yeah, so that one's available. And basically, you now have a list of lots of reasonably high search volume keywords that you can buy the exact match domain name. And these are all local. So, these are going to typically be a lot easier to rank than for, national or informational type searches. So, you could apply the same technique to that as well if you wanted to start more of a blog type of site. That makes sense too, but I focus on local here because it's just that much easier to to rank for. At the moment, the queries are all based around more of like a directory site approach, but this could also be applied to having an individual company branded site as well. So that's just a few of them. Obviously, we've got auto detailing here as well. So I can just put this in here. There's lots of scope to improve this as well, because at the moment we're kind of using the same variations of keywords. But I think as just a quick win to save hours potentially searching for that perfect exact match domain name, this can be really helpful. So if you want to use the script yourself, then just get in touch via my link in the description. Or I can put one of these lists together for you if you want as well. All right. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one.